All right, I got some twinsies here. How old are you guys now? 5. And what's your name, please?
Hannah.
And what's your name?
Gus.
Gus Ferraro and Hannah Ferraro. They ate 100 foods before they turned 1 with baby-led weaning. They're still pretty decent eaters, but we're gonna do a taste test and see. We did not have Skittles when we were babies. That is correct. So we're gonna try some foods that we had when we were babies and see how we like them now, 4.5 years later.
Beat you up.
You're gonna beat me up?
I can talk loud.
We know. Okay, Gus. Hey, Buzz. Do you remember what your first food was?
Avocado.
Okay, well, we're gonna try your first food from when you were a baby, okay?
Avocado?
Avocado?
No.
Do you remember eating it when you were 6 months old?
I don't like avocado. Just eat it.
Just eat it.
Just eat it.
Do you want to use your hands and eat like babies, or do you want to use a fork like big kids?
Head.
Use your hand.
You want to get messy? I don't.
Avocado. All right, let's see what you think. What are your thoughts?
Can you describe what it tastes like?
Green. Fun. All done.
What does it feel like in your mouth?
Flowers?
Flowers.
Ew. Wow. It feels like a banana.
What does it taste like to you?
Rotten eggs.
Rotten eggs. Yeah, what do we put avocado on?
Salad? In your mouth? Dog! Avocado.
I wish she had a dog named.
It's my favorite food.
Don't yuck someone's yum. That's right. Thumbs up or thumbs down, or side thumbs? 2 thumbs up. Okay, Gus is gonna try.
Cauliflower?
You got it, buddy! What's it taste like?
Cauliflower.
Another question. What color is it?
It's brown?
Brown?
Yeah. And another color.
Another color. What other color can cauliflower be?
White?
Yeah. And which ones did we have for dinner last night?
White.
Okay. You want to look and see what it looks like? It's a surprise. What color is it?
White.
And purple.
I was the closest.
You were the closest. Okay.
Yeah, so I took it too.
You don't want to eat it?
It's actually kind of good.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. I'm playing against Bobby.
You'll play against me? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Hannah, can I wear the blindfold? Do you want
Mommy, I'm gonna beat you.
You're gonna beat me? Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah, beat you up.
You're gonna beat me up?
Is that?
Is it here?
Yes.
Okay.
Almost. But Gussie needs his fork.
Yeah, go get
Let me guess.
Okay, open it up. Are we doing a fork, Gus?
Yeah.
Gus's fork. There we go. Ready?
Yeah. Set. Go. Ground beef.
What is it?
Ground beef. No, not ground. Chicken. No.
I think it's meat. I don't know what kind of meat it is, though. Soft and shreddable, though.
Got it.
What is it?
Plain beef. That's not ground beef.
Mm.
Why is it brown? Tell me why. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is ground beef. How about beef? What do we say if we don't like something? It's
It's not my favorite.
not my favorite. That's good.
Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's day 50 of Gus and Hannah's first 100 foods. We're halfway there, and the food that they're trying today is one of my favorite foods for babies to eat, and it is sardines. Now, you might turn your nose up at sardines, but the cool thing about babies is they love sardines.
This is soybeans. Sardines. Oh, dumb. I won. Ew. What?
Gus, what do you think? What do sardines taste like? But what does it smell like?
It smells like a skunk.
Sardines are a fish. Did it taste like a fish a little bit?
No.
Sweet or salty?
Sweet. Salty. No, it's sweet.
This one you're gonna look at and you're gonna taste it, and you have to pick the word that describes what it is. Because this was your 100th food. Remember when you ate 100 foods and Molly did a presentation?
It's soybeans.
It's not sardines.
Burritos.
Not burritos.
Did you even eat burritos? I eat burritos.
Burritos?
Is it pasta?
Okay, you wanna close your eyes and have Miss Lauren show you? Okay, ready?
Can I?
Cover with your hands. That's a good idea. Don't peek.
I am gonna peek for the whole game. Oh, I know what it is, lemons.
It's yellow.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's day 100, and the food that the babies are trying is lemon. And I
soup. You want to watch the babies eat it?
All right, try a bite. Tell me what you think. What's it taste like? Can you use a word?
Icy. It's sour. Sour. I beat ya.
What do we put lemons on?
Lemon juice.
Where do you get lemons?
Lemon tree.
Where's-
This is lemon for my house. We watched that one. You could squirt this on somebody.
No.
So where do lemons come from?
Lemon trees.
Lemons. All right, let's try something that I know you guys are gonna like. All right, close your eyes, and you can't peek.
I know.
You can use your hands.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
I think your 101st food was cake for your birthday.
Never like that.
Yeah, who was right?
Me.
Happy birthday. Some degree of picky eating is typical in the second year of life. And as your child gets older, they may be more food neophobic, meaning they don't want to try new foods. But here's the deal. If you can get 100 foods in for your baby before they turn 1 and you lose 10 or 15 of those foods to picky eating, it's no big deal because you still have like 85 or 90 foods that your baby can safely eat. So don't be afraid to push your baby's palate early and often in that flavor window when they will like and accept a wide variety of foods. And when all else fails, you can just feed the big kids chocolate cake.